Hi everyone, it's Mrs. Neil from Logan. Today we are going to do an art project, and do you want to guess what it will be? Okay, this one is an instrument and it has strings, and you pluck the strings to make music. What is it? You're right, it's a guitar, just like this one. See? I made a guitar out of a box and a toilet paper tube and some rubber bands. Do you want to know what materials we used? Yes? Okay. Here we go. We're gonna need a paper towel tube like this, a long one. If you don't have a long one, you can just connect or attach two short ones. This will be your handle for the guitar. And then you're going to need boxes. A cereal box is a good size. If you don't have a cereal box, you can use like this one, a fish sticks box, or any box if you want. For my guitar right here, I used a box for gloves, and it already had a hole cut in, so I didn't even have to worry about cutting the hole. It's just a different shape. So it's really up to you, whatever materials you have at home. Now, aside from the paper towel tube and the box, you're also gonna need this. Rubber bands. You can use different sizes as long as they will fit your box. So if you have a bigger box, then you need bigger rubber bands. If you have a smaller box, then you're going to need the smaller rubber bands. I also need scissors and a box cutter. Now, these are very sharp. So whenever we have to use something like this, what do we need to do? Yes, you have to ask a grown-up for help, okay? Make sure that a grown-up is helping you and not you, because this is too sharp. And we also need a marker and tape, okay? Ooh, you know what? I'm gonna move this back, and then I'm gonna show you what to do. So, I'm gonna show you my table. I'm gonna start with the box. You can get your tape, and you can use that. If you're going to make a round hole, you can use that size and trace it over so that you will know where to cut. Maybe I'll cut the other side. Nice color. Right there. And you're going to need your box cutter. Remember, an adult has to be helping you, a grown-up, because this one is very sharp. And you just go around and cut it. Course, it's a little hard, so that's why a grown-up has to help you. Almost there, yay! And then you gotta close it and put it away. Now, there you go. This one is all done. You're gonna throw that away. And now we have the hole for our guitar. That's where the rubber bands will go later. Next, we have to attach the handle right there. So if we do this and we just push the handle through, I'll move my camera a little bit. You can do that too, as long as you can keep your paper towel tube right there with tape. If you want the box to still be intact, this is what I suggest. You push this down and then maybe cut a little piece right here and right here, and sort of like push that down, and then you can still tape this. Oopsie, I need to cut that piece too. Ta-da! And this one too. Ay. There you go. And then you can tape this back. Tape this back. Where's our tape? And almost done. I'm so excited. I like playing the guitar. Remember that song that we have on YouTube about the number rock? You can make this, and this can be your prop. Look, I taped it, and now you can push this down, and you can insert your paper towel tube in the hole, and then you can use tape to secure it over here. So let's do that. Get some tape. I'll put this like this. You can make it pretty later on. Right now we just want to attach it. There you go. Other side, I guess. There. Now, there you go. It's not moving. Oh, yeah, it's moving a little bit. We got to attach, tape it on the side too. There you go. And one more on this side, just to be sure that it's not gonna fall off. You can make it nicer later on. So now our guitar is ready. Now what shall we do? We have to put the rubber bands right here. I'm going to use, for a guitar it has 6 strings, so I'm going to use 6 rubber bands. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 rubber bands. Okay, I'll show you how to attach it. I'm using different sizes for my rubber bands because I want to have different sounds. So did you see that? I took the rubber band and I stretched it. Oh, hold on, let me move the camera a bit. There you go. I took the rubber band and I stretched it with my fingers over the box. Ooh, I heard that. Now, I think I want to put this one. Another one. So stretch it, your finger over right there. Now you turn it over to the other side and we're going to put more rubber bands. So remember, put your fingers inside and you stretch it over. Oopsie! Right there. Now we need 2 more rubber bands. Where's my other rubber band? Oh, there we go. So I have here a smaller rubber band. It's a different color also. It's going to be stretched wider, so it will have a different sound than the other ones that I already put. Now this is even smaller. So when I stretch this over, let's find out later what sound it will make. Ooh. Now when you're done, you can just fix the rubber bands here in the front and kind of make sure you position them. And now you're ready to play. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's a different sound because that was the yellow short yellow rubber band, and this one is 6. That's the purple one. Isn't that fun? You made different sounds. We can have a band. Awesome. You can make different guitars, different kinds of instruments, and you can play music with them. Guess what? You can even make a microphone like this. Watch my other video where you can make a microphone and you can sing with your family. Awesome. I hope you enjoyed this video and I'll see you again in another video. Goodbye.